Alright, JP, Colin Evans from the Asset Finance Shop. Thanks a lot for making some time for me. So we're down here at Diesel Dirt and Turf, and I just want to ask you about this Yanmar. So this is a popular model for you guys. What type of client would be buying this and what would they use it for?
The type of client that would buy this machine would be your electrician, plumber, general contractor, civil, that sort of profile, landscaper. Those are the guys that would typically buy this machine.
It's small, it's quite narrow. What do you reckon that is? About 1.5 wide, maybe a little bit less even?
So we believe it's narrowest in class at 950.
We spoke about the 1.7 and we've gone over that, but I guess the star of the show and the new one on the scene is this TL80VS. How about you talk us through this track loader and what people would use an item like this for?
This is a new launch in the Australian market for us. Yanmar Corporation launched these in the US a couple of years ago. We now have them available here in a range starting from 65 horsepower right up to the 80, which we're looking at. Your typical customer for this would be an owner-operator who'd be running possibly a mulcher attachment, a grade box with laser leveling, possibly even a small milling attachment. And it would suit any one of those environments. It is fitted with half-flow hydraulics, and we have best-in-class cab for this machine, spec for the Australian market.
And why don't we come around the back here and you can explain to me what's going on with this back door, because this looks like quite a large intercooler and fan setup.
Yeah, so we've taken advice from customers over several years, and a lot of that has been around accessibility for repairs and servicing. So this design has opened up the machine to make it easier for mechanics that work in it. If you tilt the cab plus having the back end open, you've got full accessibility to everything you need to work on, including hydraulic hoses, pumps and the like.
Alright JP, so this is a new upgraded cabin. Why don't you talk me through all the changes?
Yeah, so as you'll notice, sitting in that cab, you've got an elevated seated position. We've got the perforated guides, which we usually have, removed. So it's giving you full visibility from that seated position to the corners of your tracks.
Yeah, beautiful. I can see everything down there between the bucket with the trackers if I'm going to run over anything.
Yes.
Looks good. I can see right behind me, everything. It's almost like being in a sports car.
It is, yes.
Oh, you've got a rear vision mirror here.
That's the lap bar, so when you drop that down, that enables operation. Put it back up, disables operation.
Well, at the end of the day, it's all about getting home safe to your family, isn't it?
100%.